Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2017 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z8217XX. 29,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, blue velvet metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 8 with a cloth interior, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, DVD player with wireless headphones and remote, rear audio as well as climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package, ample cargo space behind the third row, 60/40 split folding seat, folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. There's of course with the backup camera displays, 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the sliding armrest with even more space below, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home-link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.Auto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.